In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an Affinity photo. By the end, you'll know how to resize an entire image for print or web, how to scale a single layer or object, and how to enter exact dimensions when precision matters. Let's start with resizing the whole image. This changes the pixel dimensions of your document, which is helpful when you need a specific size for printing, emailing, or uploading to a website. Open your image in Affinity Photo, then go to the top menu and choose Document, followed by Resize. In the Resize dialog, type the new width and height you want. Keep the padlock icon locked if you want to maintain the original aspect ratio, which prevents the image from looking stretched or squashed. If you need to change the resolution, or you want Affinity Photo to add or remove pixels during the change, make sure Resample is turned on. When you're happy with the settings, click OK to apply. This updates the overall size of the document in one move. Next, let's resize a layer, object, or placed image interactively. Select the Move tool, the arrow icon in the toolbar. Click the layer you want to resize, and you'll see a bounding box appear around it. Drag a corner handle inward to shrink or outward to enlarge. By default, the box scales proportionally when the aspect ratio is locked. If you want to resize without keeping the original proportions, hold Shift while dragging. To scale from the center instead of from a corner, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac as you drag. Keep an eye on your image quality as you enlarge. Scaling a small layer too much can make it look soft, so zoom in to 100% to judge the result accurately. For precise dimensions, use the Transform panel. With your layer selected, look to the right side panel area and open the Transform panel near the navigator. There, adjust the W for width and H for height to the exact values you need. Use the chain icon between W and H to lock or unlock the aspect ratio, depending on whether you want proportionate scaling. When you've set your numbers, press Enter to apply. This is ideal for design layouts, social media templates, or any situation where exact pixel sizes are required. That's it. Resize the whole document for global changes, use the Move tool for quick interactive scaling, and rely on the Transform panel when precision counts.